Goodcen Hardware Fitting Factory is one of the core hardware manufacturers in China, which established in 2008. We specialized in cabinet hinges, drawer slide, and other furniture hardware series. To building a high-standard factory, we invested in purchasing a series of mechanical equipment, recruiting professional and experienced talents. We have quality inspection certificates. The best quality products and excellent service will be provided to you by our professional team. Welcome to visit our factory. We surely will be your best partner.